With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this. An alkyl halide on reaction with sodium in the presence of ether gives 2255 tetramethylhexane, and we have to identify the alkyl halide. So our options are like this: 1-chloropentane, 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl-propane, 3-chloro-2,2-dimethyl-butane, 2-chloro-2-methyl-butane. So these are the options we have. Okay. So this is very basic question of method of preparation of alkane. So this is a basic example of Wood's reaction. Okay. This is a very basic example of Wood's reaction. I hope you know the Wood's reaction. In Wood's reaction, we prepare the alkane from alkyl halide by using sodium in presence of ether. Okay. And the alkane which formed have double number of carbon atoms from that of the carbon atoms in alkyl halide. Okay. So what is the Wood's reaction? We have Rx, this is the alkyl halide. When it reacts with 2Na, that is sodium, they reacts like this. This is a method of learning of this Wood's reaction. You can learn this reaction like this. Xr in presence of dry ether, okay. Then in this case NaCl will be removed and we will get the alkane of double number of carbon atoms from that of in the alkyl halide. Okay. So there is 2 NaCl will be removed and we will get Rr. We will get Rr plus 2 NaCl. This NaCl, 2 NaCl will be removed. In this case it will be NaX because I am taking in general alkyl halide, so it will be NaX. Okay. When this alkyl halide will be RCl, then there will be removal of 2 NaCl. Okay, but I am taking generally Rx, so there will be removal of 2 NaX, and X can be any halide like iodine, bromide, chloride. Okay guys, so X is a halide. Okay, and Rx is the alkyl halide. Here is one R group present. Here is one R group present in alkyl halide. One alkyl group present in this alkyl halide, and this alkane have 2 R group, so double number of carbon atoms. This alkane have 2 R groups, so double number of carbon atoms from that of in the alkyl halide. I hope you guys are understanding. Okay, so this is a very basic Wood's reaction in which we form a alkane of double number of carbon atom from that of in the alkyl halide by using Na in presence of dry ether. Okay. So when an alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of ether, it will give alkane of double number of carbon atoms from that present in the alkyl halide. So this is very basic Wood's reaction. Now we have the product form as 2255 tetramethylhexane. We have this product 2255 tetramethylhexane, and we have to identify how, from which alkyl halide this product can form. Okay, so we have hexane, that means we have alkane of 6 number of carbon atoms. We have hexane, that means we have alkane of 6 number of carbon atoms. So how can we form alkane of 6 number of carbon atoms? We can form alkane of 6 number of carbon atoms from alkyl halide which have 3 number of carbon atoms in it. That means we can form this alkane by using 3 number of carbon atoms in the alkyl halide. If we have to form the alkane with 6 number of carbon atoms, then we have to use an alkyl halide of 3 number of carbon atoms. Okay, as you can see in the option second, we have propane, that means 3 number of carbon atoms present in the carbon chain of the alkyl halide. Okay, so by using this alkyl halide we will get the hexane. Now let's see if we get this hexane or not. Okay, so let us do this reaction. Okay, so when 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl-propane, we have 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl-propane. How can we draw the structure of this 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl-propane? We have propane, that means we have carbon chain of 3 carbon like this. Okay, and we have chloro at first carbon. 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl, that means we have 2 methyl at second carbon. 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. Now we need to just adjust the valency of carbon, then we can easily draw the structure of this 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. So by using this alkyl halide, we have alkyl halide of carbon chain of 3 carbon. This is this carbon chain like this of 3 carbon. We have propane. Then we will form the carbon chain in the alkane of 6 carbon. We will form the carbon chain. That means we will form from this alkyl halide, that is from 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl hexane, we will form the alkane of 6 number of carbon atoms. Now let us check the final product. What will be the final product in this case? When this alkyl halide reacts with 2Na, we need to just redraw it again to find the product. And this is the way of learning of this Woods reaction. You can learn this reaction by this. You just need to remove this 2NaCl from here, and you can easily form the product. Okay, so you need to just redraw it again. It will be CH2, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. When this reacts with 2Na in presence of dry ether, then there will be 2NaCl will be removed in this case. Then 2NaCl will be removed, and the final product will be like this. We have final product will be CH3, CCH3, CH3, CH2. These both alkyl groups will be added. These both alkyl group will be attached with each other, and 2NaCl will be removed. So these two alkyl groups will be attached like this: C, CH3, CH3, CH3. So this will be the product. As you can see, we have carbon chain of 6 carbon. As you can see in this case, we will get the carbon chain of 6 carbon, and we have get the carbon chain of 6 carbon like this. Okay, so when we use the carbon chain of 3 carbon in the reactant side, that means in the alkyl halide, then we will get the carbon chain of 6 carbon in the alkane. So this is the basic Woods reaction, that is when an alkyl halide reacts with Na in presence of dry ether, then we will get the alkane of double number of carbon atoms from that of in the alkyl halide. In this case, you can see that here we have 3 number of carbon atoms in the carbon chain, then we will get the 6 number of carbon atoms in the alkane in the parent carbon chain. Okay, now let's find the name of this alkane. What will be the name? Let's start the numbering. Numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the carbon chain of 6 carbon. Okay, and we have dimethyl at 2nd and 5th position. We have dimethyl at 2nd and 5th position. So name will be 2, 2. We have dimethyl at 2nd and 5th position. So it will be 2, 2, 5, 5 tetramethyl. We have 4 methyl groups, 2 at 2nd position and 2 at 5th position. So it will be 2, 2, 5, 5 tetramethyl hexane, because we have carbon chain of 6 carbon, so it will be hexane. 2, 2, 5, 5 tetramethyl hexane. So this will be the name of this product. So this is the same name as we have given in the question. So this product will be obtained from 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, so now let us back to our question. We have formed 2, 2, 5, 5 tetramethyl hexane, and how are we forming this product? By 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, so you can easily just identify, or you can say you can easily just analyze that if we have chain of 3 carbon in the alkyl halide, then we will get the chain of 6 carbon in the alkane side. Okay, but we need to clarify also that the product is same or not, like 2, 2, 5, 5 tetramethyl hexane. Okay, so our option correct is the second option. From this alkyl halide, that is 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane, when this reacts with sodium in presence of ether, we will get 2, 2, 5, 5 tetramethyl hexane. Okay, because we have in the reactant side, that is in the alkyl halide, we have carbon chain of 3 carbon, that is propane. We have carbon chain of 3 carbon, that is propane. So we will get the double number of carbon atoms in the alkane. We will get the double number of carbon atoms in the alkane, that is we will get hexane. Okay, so this is it for this question, guys. I hope you understand it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.